everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today I am going to be reviewing this face cleaner right here. It is by the brand Hangsun, and it is a perfect clean sonic facial cleansing device, and it says it's SC200, and we're just going to get right into this. Let me read the outside of the box as well. So this is the normal brush head, and then it has a sensitive brush head for sensitive skin, and then this one is the body brush. So I think that's really cool. It comes with 3 different brushes. It does come with a user's manual. It looks like this is a charging port right here. Super good quality. Look at that. Really nice. It comes with, this is the body brush. Let me go ahead and take it out and feel these bristles. Yes, they're super nice. Then it has this one right here, and this is the brush for sensitive skin. It's just like really long and really just gentle. It almost feels like a foundation brush. Just really soft. So if you have really sensitive skin, this is going to be your go-to. And then this is the device itself. It is so, like, it has a really good weight to it. You can tell that this is not cheap. And this is the regular brush. And I like that it does have these covers on it. And you can always just buy more brushes once these ones wear out. Look how nice that is. It's really good quality. And it has 3 modes. It has high, medium, and low speed. And the last thing that's in here that was underneath there is the charger for it. So it's a USB charger to a, looks like the C output. Okay, so you'll just pull this little plastic thing this way. And then just pull this out and unwrap it. That's really nice that it came like that. It was like a lot better wrapped. You can see the cord is really long, so if you have, like, you're wanting to put it on your countertop. So it looks like you turn this, yep. So you turn this plastic thing, it has a little grip right there. So you'll turn it to your left, and then it pops right out. I was seeing if the charger was underneath there, but it does not look like it is. So I'm really curious. Hold on. It may just be the, okay. So you actually do not have to plug in the charger to this. That's why I can't find a charging port, because it doesn't go underneath there. So it actually charges right here. So you put it in right here. And then I think what this hole is for is if there's water still on this, it's going to drip out. So you could put like a face washcloth underneath there, so if it does drip out, it doesn't drip on your counter. But look how pretty that is. It's really nice. Let me go ahead and turn it on. So that is low. As you can see how fast it's moving. Medium, and this is high. So this is not like one that actually spins. It does not spin, it just vibrates. So that feels really nice. You can see. So it's going to get really deep into those pores. It feels really nice. So let's go ahead and go wash our face real quick. Or let me go wash my face, because you're not gonna be washing your face just yet. I also wanted to add that I do like that it comes with a body brush, and this is waterproof, so you can take it in the shower with you if you're just wanting to exfoliate your skin, especially with these summer months ahead of us. Your skin tends to get really dry and flaky in the wintertime as well, but it seems like it's worse in the summertime. So this is really good just to keep your skin really nice and buffed, or if you like to use self tanner, and it's fading and it looks all blotchy, you can use this to kind of take that off, buff it off, or get your skin ready for cell tanner. So these are great for that. And that's the brush you'd be using if you were using it on your body. But we're gonna go use it on our face. So let's just go to the bathroom real quick. Okay, so I'm gonna start by clipping my hair up. I just keep my clips right beside here because I do this twice a day. And then I'm gonna wet the brush with some warm water. So, and this is the face wash that I like to use. So I'm just gonna put like a pump, pretty good pump on it. And I'm going to kind of just like start out just by pushing on my face like that. And then I'm gonna turn it on. So I'm gonna go to high. And start rubbing it everywhere. I'm gonna wet it a little more. There it goes, it's getting nice and sudsy now. It really feels like it's really getting deep into my pores, which is nice. My forehead. So it does shut off automatically after it's used for so long. Okay, so I did 2 rounds. So let me go ahead and rinse this off really well. It's nice because it is waterproof, so you can stick the whole thing in there. Okay, so I got this part rinsed off really well. And then if you want to just take this part off, just to clean off this, you just turn this over, pull it out, and just really give this a good wash. That's what I just did. Just put it right back on. You can see the water did not mess with it. So that is finished. Now I need to get the soap off my face. So I like to get a rag to take off the soap. So I'll just get, this is a makeup eraser. I wet it. And then I just use this to pretty much take off all the soap. This comes in really handy. Because I have lash extensions, I just cannot just like straight up wet my face. So doing this, it makes it a lot easier on me. Again, just keep doing that until all the water is gone. You can see I still have soap because it's still getting the soap out. And what's nice is I got a 7-pack of these, so I can use one every day of the week and just throw it in the laundry as soon as I'm done with it, and I don't have to worry about like leaving it out and then it getting like smelling like a dirty rag. You know how bad that smells, like mildewy. So when you do it this way, you buy this pack, it's just really nice. Just throw this in the dirty laundry and pat off my face. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and put my moisturizer and everything on, and I'll be right back once I'm done with that. Okay, and now I'm back. My skin is nice and moisturized, and it just feels really, really nice and clean. This is awesome. This is honestly the best one that I've ever tried in being a YouTuber. I have tried a lot of these, and I really, really like this one. I'm going to keep this one in my bathroom. Honestly, I haven't even been using the other ones that I got just because I don't like them. But I will actually use this one. I really do like it. I feel like it really got deep into my pores and stuff. I've been trying to do a lot more skincare and staying on top of like devices that I'm testing out. So this is a great add to my skincare routine, and I will definitely, like I said, be using it. Like I said, this one's great if you have sensitive skin, and the one that I used worked fine, and I used it on high. If you do have sensitive skin, you could still like use this one, just use it on low. I like to do everything that I do like at the highest level because I want to see the best results, and I really want to get down in there, clean out my pores and everything, because I do have pores. I actually have deep pores right here that I'm in the process of trying to get rid of. I'm gonna see if these devices actually work, so I'll keep you guys updated on that. But yes, I would highly recommend this if you're looking for a really good face wash device. Like, it worked amazing. And yeah, I'm sorry, my lips are like super dry. I went shooting the other day and got sunburned, and my lips got sunburned too, so it's not fun. My lips really hurt. They're just super dry. I've been trying to keep stuff on them, but I just washed my face, so I need to put stuff back on them because they are hurting. They just feel like really cracky, like, I don't know, they're sunburnt. They feel sunburnt. But yeah, that completes this video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell down in the corner below. That way you'll be notified every time that I do upload a video. But until next time, I will see you guys later. Bye. God bless.